How many rooms there in the hotel? How many rooms are there in the hotel? How many rooms are there in the hotel? The American new student from California. The new American student is from California. The new American student is from California. The teacher broke the pen in class. The teacher broke the pen in class. The teacher broke the pen in class. Is the apartment in this building? Is the apartment in this building? Is the apartment in this building? He, a worker in this factory. He is a worker in this factory. He is a worker in this factory. The sea, big, and the river, small. The sea is big and the river is small. The sea is big and the river is small. Our train leaves Cairo at 1:15 a.m. Our train leaves Cairo at 1:15 a.m. Our train leaves Cairo at 1:15 a.m. My mother in school with my brother. My mother is in school with my brother. My mother is in school with my brother. There, a table, big, in the office. There is a big table in the office. There is a big table in the office. What you prefer, tea or coffee? What do you prefer, tea or coffee? What do you prefer, tea or coffee? Why Fatima return 2. The house. Why did Fatima return to the house? Why did Fatima return to the house? I learn Arabic because it beautiful a language. I learn Arabic because it is a beautiful language. I learn Arabic because it is a beautiful language. The bank will open next week. The bank will open next week. The bank will open next week. I saw a lot of my friends and relatives. I saw a lot of my friends and relatives. I saw a lot of my friends and relatives. The girl doesn't like to study medicine. The girl doesn't like to study medicine. The girl doesn't like to study medicine. Could I speak to someone in the department? Could I speak to someone in the department? Could I speak to someone in the department? My brother cleans his bedroom every day. My brother cleans his bedroom every day. My brother cleans his bedroom every day.